So exciting day for the 912. I just got my distributor in the mail. The car has been sitting in a shed in Wyoming for the last 15 years. And my dad and I, in this June, decided to go pick it up and bring it to Utah, where I'm going to work on the restoration of it. We were going through boxes, and we almost left a box, an old Bosch box, in the garage. And it turns out that Bosch box had the original 022 distributor, which those cores are really hard to find now. So currently in the car is a Bosch 050 replacement. It's my understanding that this particular distributor, the 050, is suitable for these 912 engines, but it's not ideal. A lot of people say that they were made for non-gasoline engines, and the advance curve isn't quite right. So a lot of enthusiasts and purists say that the 912s, the 356s, these cars just won't run right until you have the original distributor in. Bosch no longer makes these rebuild kits for the distributors, and Glenn Ring has purchased most of these rebuild kits, and it turns out that his stock is running low. So once they're gone, they're gone. So I read this, I panicked, I got a hold of Glenn Ring. Working with Glenn is actually a lot of fun. He's pretty old school. So you send him an email, he sends you an address, you mail him a check, then you mail him your distributor. He sends you pictures, he rebuilds it. If there's things missing or broken, you send him another check, and he ships you back your distributor in brand new condition. I mean, this thing looks incredible. Okay, so what did he do with the distributor once he got it? He painted it, cleaned it up. It was filthy. He replaced the springs, brand new cap, condenser, wire, connectors, points, rotor, the works. I mean, this thing is brand spanking new. The only thing he doesn't do now is he doesn't replace nameplates. So as you can see from the before and after, it just looks amazing. Glenn did such a good job, and this thing looks brand new. I can't wait to get it in the car and see how the car runs, see if it runs any better. Pretty exciting day for the 912 though. Anyway, thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have worked with Glenn before, or you've got a distributor looking to recondition, or if you have any tips and tricks for me as far as timing goes. Love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching.